Hi, I'm Alex, and wishing everybody a happy 2026. So these two are the last outstanding unboxings for the year 2025. I've got this one just before Christmas and the big one after Christmas, and I did not have the time to open them up yet. So let's do this now and see what was it that I spent my hard-earned cash on this time. Let's start with the smaller box of the two. Uh, and the shape of the box kind of gives it away what it's going to be. Here we go. We have an Atlas locomotive, and it is, not sure if you can see or not, should be able to, a GE U-36 C, yeah, U-36C U-boat. And it is in a Santa Fe paint scheme. It is a DCC equipped locomotive, and I have some high hopes for it following recent less than amazing purchases. Let's have a quick look at it. I like it. It looks good. Although recently, most things I buy, they look good, but they don't turn out to be great once they're on the truck. Hopefully. So let's open the second box. Now you can see that the labeling on the box says Rapido trains. Well, I can assure you it's not Rapido trains inside this box. I'm not sophisticated enough yet to buy Rapido trains. At this time, it's all second-hand eBay stuff. All right, well, this is supposed to be a box full of Athens cars. A Pacific Fruit Express. So I purchased 14 of these, and that should make a nice train. That if all works out, this will be my first unit train on the layout. They all have different road numbers, so that's a bit of a bonus. So I have unpacked all 14 cars, and so far things aren't looking great. Half of them, that's 7, have a problem with one or both of their couplers. I was able to resurrect a few of the couplers, and now I'm up to 10 good cars. But for the last 4, I will be using these new spare Bachmann couplers to complete the fix. So I finally checked all 14 reefers and made them ready for truck. And the whole thing looks a little bit crazy. The layout I've built was not made to handle such long trains, especially when they're made of anything longer than 40 or 50-foot rail cars. And these reefers are 57 feet. Also, I have major doubts that this train will actually go around my layout trouble-free. I think the cars may bind on the very, very tight second radius pico curves I have, which are just over 17-inch in radius. So, well, I will have a go anyway. But now it's back to the locomotive and see if that works. So it's time to test the new locomotive, Just a reminder, it's a GEU 36C unit equipped with DCC for light and direction control. Let's get this powered on. I've got my NCE power cab on. I'll punch in the road number 8788. Enter. First we'll test the lights. So look, do we have the front light? Yes, we do. And the back. Yep, that works. Let's get moving. We'll go forward first. Well, that's a nice crawl. That's at speed step 10. Change direction. Totally silent, can't hear anything. Well, so far I am very impressed with the quality of this locomotive. I've run it for a little while, back and forth at various speeds, and it's very quiet, very smooth. Looks like I'm on to winner this time around, which is great because it's been a while since I purchased anything of good quality off eBay. So I will hook it up to the reefers and see if it can pull the whole train up to the second level. I don't really expect it because of the I think it's 2.1% grade at the back of the layout and the very tight 17-inch curves. But let's give it a go anyway. Well, so far so good. Speed step 32 and increasing. 40. 50. Coming up to speed step 65 now. 70. There it is. Amazing. Come on. Yep, I think it's wheel spinning. No, it's moving forward still. Working hard. Is it gonna make it? Okay, that's too much for it. That's amazing. Amazing we got that far. Alright, let's switch it off. No. Yes. Yes, no, yes. Okay. Looks like it's gonna do it. Maybe not. We'll give it a rest. So after the failed 10 car test, I reduced it to 8, and the train would have made it around if not for the fact that the 57-foot long cars got caught underneath um, the scenery over there, basically snagging against some of the formwork that I have. So ultimately, the layout couldn't handle this type of train. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchases. The reefers turned out to be quite okay actually after initial troubles, and the locomotive is a real winner this time around. So what's next? Well, I would like to have this train run reliably on my layout, so I will think about making some adjustments to my track work and the layout itself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.